To set up Intercom Live Chat, click on Manage Apps section. Then, install Intercom Live Chat app. Here, enter your Intercom App ID. To get Intercom App ID, register on intercom.com. Then click on Setting option. Here, click on Installation option and get turn on Install Messenger on your site or web app option. Now click on Install with no code integration option. Now copy your Intercom App ID and paste it in your Intercom App ID field. Then save the setting and preview it. Here, you can chat or reply from your Intercom Help Desk dashboard.